from their ancient origins deep within the earth to their modern role as symbols of wealth and beauty. This documentary uncovers the science, history, and market dynamics behind these natural treasures. Explore how passion meets profit in a market where rarity and brilliance define value, offering a unique glimpse into the art and business of gemstones. Ensuring high-value gemstones. Ensuring high-value gemstones is crucial for safeguarding investments against theft, loss, or damage. These rare and often irreplaceable assets require specialized insurance policies that cater to their unique value and characteristics. Standard home insurance usually falls short, necessitating tailored coverage to ensure full protection. Key steps and considerations. Detailed appraisal. Obtain a professional appraisal from a certified gemologist. The appraisal should document carat weight, cut, color, clarity, unique features, and the current market value. Regular updates are necessary to account for market fluctuations. Specialized policies. Choose insurers specializing in high-value jewelry and gemstones. These policies often include benefits like agreed value coverage, predefined payout amount, and protection for pairs and sets. Standalone policies versus riders. Standalone policies provide comprehensive coverage, often without deductibles, and don't affect homeowners' insurance in case of claims. Riders attached to existing policies may be an alternative but could have limitations. Scope of coverage. Ensure the policy covers theft, loss, and accidental damage, including stones falling out of settings or damage during wear. For frequent travelers, ensure global coverage is included. Preventive measures. Complement insurance with additional security measures such as safety deposit boxes and robust home security systems. Maintain detailed records, including receipts, appraisals, and photographs. Regular reviews. Periodically reassess the policy to ensure alignment with the current value of the gemstones and any new risks. Specialized insurance provides peace of mind and financial security for high-value gemstone owners, ensuring comprehensive protection tailored to their needs. Security measures for storage and transport. Protecting valuable assets during storage and transport requires a multi-layered approach to minimize risks such as theft, damage, or unauthorized access. Storage security. Secure facilities. Use locations equipped with surveillance cameras, motion detectors, alarms, and controlled access systems, for example, biometric scanners. Reinforced safes. Store items in fireproof and waterproof safes meeting industry security standards. These should be anchored securely to prevent removal. Transport security. Specialized services. Employ secured transport companies with armored vehicles, trained personnel, and secure logistics planning. Route and timing. Plan varied, unpredictable routes and monitor shipments via GPS tracking for real-time updates. Confidentiality. Limit the number of people aware of transport details, sharing information only on a need-to-know basis. Conduct background checks on involved personnel. Insurance and regular or comprehensive insurance and frequent reviews of security protocols ensure preparedness for evolving risks. Regular testing of systems and employee training further strengthens security measures. By combining physical and procedural safeguards with advanced technology and insurance, valuable assets can be effectively protected against potential threats. Dealing with theft and fraud. Preventing, detecting, and addressing theft and fraud requires robust systems and clear protocols to mitigate risks and safeguard assets. Prevention. Physical and digital security. Use surveillance cameras, alarms, locks, and anti-theft devices. For digital assets, employ firewalls, antivirus programs, and multi-factor authentication. Employee training. Educate employees about security practices and recognizing suspicious activities. Promote a culture of transparency and accountability. Detection. Audits and monitoring. Conduct regular and surprise audits to identify discrepancies. Use anomaly detection systems for financial transactions and inventory tracking. Data analysis. Leverage technology to spot irregular patterns in records or activity. Response. Investigation and communication. Act swiftly by notifying law enforcement and conducting internal reviews. Maintain transparency with stakeholders. Post-incident measures. Strengthen security protocols based on lessons learned to prevent recurrence. For individuals, safeguarding personal information, monitoring financial accounts, and promptly reporting theft or fraud can minimize impact. A proactive approach ensures protection and resilience against potential threats. Online security for Gemstone transactions. Strengths: comprehensive overview of security measures such as encryption, authentication, and fraud detection. Practical advice for both businesses and consumers. Well-organized structure progressing from identifying risks to specific solutions. Clarify technical terms for readers who might not be familiar with cybersecurity concepts. Provide a brief example or case study to illustrate the implementation of these security measures in the Gemstone industry. Evaluating insurance providers. Strengths: detailed evaluation criteria, practical and actionable advice for readers considering insurance options. Balanced emphasis on cost and service quality. Include a short example or anecdote of how a well-evaluated insurance provider benefited a customer. Financial stability and customer service could be streamlined for brevity. Engaging storytelling with well-known examples like the Hope Diamond demonstrates the use of technology and community efforts effectively. Adds an emotional and cultural dimension to the value of gemstones. Provide a bit more context about the historical or cultural significance.